Hi everyone, in this lesson we are just going to add one theme which is the appearance of the website. Like we are going to click on theme and we have like three theme already installed here. If you are going to delete that one, you can also do that. For example, if I'm going to come here and we have like WordPress and we have zero code and we have like WP content and we have themes and we have all the themes which is installed in the WordPress content and themes. Right now the theme which is activated is 2017, and that one 2017 I don't need that one, therefore I'm going to delete this one. And you can see now these two are present. When I'm going to refresh that one, you can see no theme here and only 2017 is here, which is already activated, but we don't want that one as well. And for doing so, we are going to click add. On the top we have add new, we are going to click that one, and we have a popular WordPress and you are going to click that one. And if you don't get like which one we want, then I will show you. You can also search that one. We need that ocean WP, that is a theme, and we are going to write here as well like ocean WP theme, and it will display for you here in here. Okay, right now we are going to just install that one, and you can install any one of that website, but the purpose which I am going to show you, that is one of the template which we are going to use, like drag and drop formation in every website which you have, like different other website which has that option as well. But we are going to install it right now, and it will start installing that theme. As you can see that it is now installed, and we are going to just see either we have installed that one. As you can see that it is now installed, and we are just going to activate that one. And for activating, you are going to click activate, and next you are just going to see your website. Like if I'm going to come here, and you can see that now it is in different version. Now we have zero code just in other website, or we are going to change that one as well in customization. And we have like we are going to change it just another website, and customization we have, and we are just going to add or change like site identity. And either here I'm going to say, or I'm going to change that one like just in other website. We are going to say that build website without coding, and we are going to update that one. And then it is published right now, but we are just going to see that why it is not changing. And for that one we should come here, and also yeah, that is completely working fine. Build website without coding, and we have zero code. Next we are going to configure and see that how beautiful we are going to make that website. And for doing so, we have to install some plugins, and we are just going to add those plugins from the plugins, and each and everything is for free.